everybody, welcome to the Allure of the Sea here at Fort Lauderdale. Woo! Hi everyone, good morning. So welcome to my vlog. Today is our boarding day for our cruise. You know, I'm very excited because this is my first time. Hi, Grace. Yeah. Hey, honey, are you excited? Grace is at the banyo, nalibang. We are here at Fort Lauderdale because we are going to be boarding here. Am I right? This is our port of entry. Huh?
Embarkation.
Ay, mali pala. Hindi pala port of entry. Port of embarkation. Thank you for the correction. And my friends are here. Grace is here. Hello. Bingy is here. Of course. Cheryl's here. And hi, Mike.
Hello.
Can you say hi to my friends? Okay, now let's go ahead. Look at this. My God. Para kaming lalayas. Okay, kids, go. I'm so excited. Yeah, we're still at the hotel. Kumusta man na, friend? Kumusta man itong...
Kaon ka magtagay na pagsugod.
Kung ano siya, friend ka na
How was your stay at the Maclinta by Wyndham? Oh, wow. Okay lang.
It's really Wyndham.
Hindi na nagdala kag prutas.
Makaprutas mo ka. Orange naman na dito. Makaprutas ka mo kag lagi sa liga.
Sorry lang, libre man good.
Libre ni siya, friend.
Mga balon.
Kaon taning suka sa bata, friend.
Yeah.
Kapan ako eh.
Be 50 something.
That's the right way to eat the yogurt.
Mura man nag-cerealac eh.
Yung mga ko pagkaon sa baby, murang giripit. Oh, that's our baby over there. Yeah. Oh my God.
Looks like the entire city of Cagayan de Oro.
So they said that it can hold 5,000 people. Wow.
John.
Yes, please. That's our boat.
Alright.
And we are here, you guys, at the gate. Is this the gate?
Yes. We're waiting for it to open.
We're
We're
waiting.
here early.
You know, you
Early
gotta
birds.
get here early. I'm saying so. There's a lot of people here already. What time do you open then?
10 o'clock.
They open at 10 o'clock. And you guys later, I'm gonna show you around. Just you said, you know, it's my first time, so this is going to be fun. Are you excited? This is your first time at the Caribbean, though, right?
First in the Royal Caribbean. We've been doing Carnival before.
So it's going to be fun. We're going to the second floor and we're gonna meet our friend Grace over there and the adventures is about to begin. Yoo-hoo! Honey, excited?
Yeah.
We will be about to board, you guys. We are going there. So excited. This is it.
Yes!
We're gonna walk around today. Hi.
Hi.
Thank you.
No problem.
This is the entrance from
This is the entrance from
Way?
the walkway. Yes. Tulungan mo ako, friend. Over.
Janen, turn to the left.
Oh.
The mall.
Here's the mall.
Royal Promenade. All right, here. So we're at the Royal Promenade. There's so much to see. So this is just the entrance.
Guys, check this out. you guys that one over there, that is a bar. It's gonna go down, up and down, up and down. It is. Shopping center. Is this your first Royal Caribbean?
Yes.
What do you think? Is it nice?
Very nice.
Hungry? Free food bakla. Nam. This is not free bakla. We pay for this.
Oh, well, yeah.
I felt like I'm in the mall.
I know.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and I'm old. Still can't fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love?
This is the city on the side of ship.
Early, girl.
When everything's said and done, what do we do to love?
Come in, don't be shy.
Is this your new place? Wow. So when did you buy this?
Today.
Really? So how much you pay for this? Okay. Yes. Yeah, I think you need to change the carpet. Carpet is green.
Yeah, so you
Ooh. Oh, this is amazing. Wow. This is, Jesus, this is so huge. People are already swimming. Let's go, let's walk around. Hi everybody, welcome to the Allure of the Sea here at Fort Lauderdale. Woo!
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives.
We have a lot of stuff going on. So but right now, I think this is so big that it's gonna overwhelm me. But you know, we had lunch. Maybe we're gonna go into our room and, you know, find something. But right now, we're just gonna explore it. You know, it's beautiful. Just like you guys, it's my first time, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Come here. Grace is my.
Well, it's Janen's first time for a cruise and looks like she is having fun. So it's Allure of the Seas. This is the third largest ship in the Royal Caribbean. Actually, three largest ship in all the cruise lines. This is the kids section. This will be the only time we'll be seeing this section.
And if you want to have a hair day like this, you just come up to the rooftop.
If you need more volume in your hair, you don't need the volume.
You know,
stay at the top of the ship.
correct, and get some, you know, frizziness. So let's go back and then let's explore more. So here, this is a solarium. Can you tell me what is solarium, please? What is solarium, Mikey? Why is bar?
The adult area.
Oh, this is the adult section. I can't be here.
It's a sunroom.
The sunroom, basically. So let's check the place out. Yes. The good thing here, because they have the adult section and the kids section, so you can have your you time, me time, whatever you want to do. And this, what the adults do. Sit, 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 sit. guys, we are here at our cabin, and this cabin looks like a restroom door. Ang liit pala. Okay, welcome in you guys. Let's have a tour. A room tour. Yes. Hello. So yes, Cheryl's gonna staying with us. You can see us. So this is the entryway, this is the bed, and this is the couch. Pull-out couch. This is where Cheryl's gonna live. This is, and you guys, we are going to, yes, we are like, and that's the promenade. Hello, friends. Yes, that's our view. We have this. We have TV, which is, we're not gonna use it. Oh, honey, there's 3 plugs. Nice. This is the, oh, restroom is not bad. Okay, hi. So you guys, this is the sink, the toilet, and then this is the shower. Nice. Okay, now I need to charge the phone and batteries and everything. Oh, our bag is not here yet.
And the other about a shoulder width dish. Shoulders in use your arms for balance. Keep your eyes forward for the bottom.
Good thing that you can pull out couch. That's a good size bed. Oh, what is this? Oh, refrigerator. Nice. Nice. Oh, blower. Tissue. Tissue pang trapo sa lubot. And here is the, we have a safe. And we have here some stuff. Now we're gonna go ahead and rest because we have the whole day to explore. Okay. Yeah, Eleanor is here. Thank you. The whole month of celebration.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you very much. Here. And now we're going to, where are we going then?
Central Park.
Central Park. Oh. Park. You guys know that the plants here are real? Oh, it feels good in here.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
I got fish, I got rice, paella. And they had so many selections over there, you guys. We are back at our room and our luggages are here. But one thing missing, Cheryl's luggage is not here yet. I'm so full. So many food up there, and I did not show you guys around because there's nothing really to see yet. Besides the food, and there's a lot of people. I don't want to be like, you know, interrupting while they're getting their food. So for now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be getting ready, and then because we're gonna go out, and we will be joining a sailing away party. I don't know what is that, but from the word sail away, right? Bakla, what is sailing away party?
Throwing you away.
Basically like plane, and it's not plane. Our cruise ship is boarding or leaving Fort Lauderdale. So we're gonna see you guys later, and yes.
thinks everything.